Before you start your next project, ask yourself one question. What if your tools could guarantee perfection? Because the ones you're about to see don't just help, they transform how you work. Sharper cuts, cleaner joints, flawless grids, and power you can rely on anywhere. These are the tools built for makers who refuse to compromise. All product links are in the description, and if you want more videos on the best tools and gear, make sure to subscribe to the channel. When precision matters, the JessEm 06300 Precision Box Joint Jig delivers joinery that stands out for all the right reasons. Designed for serious woodworkers, this jig brings accuracy, consistency, and control directly to your router table, ensuring every joint fits as cleanly as it looks. The system is built around JessEm's precision-machined aluminum indexing keys, included in 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 sizes. Paired with matching Baltic birch fences, each key locks in exact spacing so every finger aligns perfectly. No guesswork, no drift, just dependable, repeatable results. Movement is where this jig truly shines. Riding on 4 bearings, the carriage glides with low friction and remarkable stability. With 4¼ inches of controlled travel, each pass over the bit is smooth, predictable, and perfectly aligned. The result is a crisp, uniform joint you can trust on drawers, boxes, cabinetry, and fine furniture. Safety and usability are built into the design. The integrated adjustable bit guard keeps your hands protected without limiting visibility, while the wall-mountable storage system ensures your jig stays secure, accessible, and out of the way when not in use. JessEm also adds modern flexibility with a built-in dovetail slot designed for MICROJIG MatchFit clamps. This gives you strong, unobstructed work holding tailored to your project, whether you're running small parts or full-size panels. For woodworkers who demand accuracy from their joinery, the JessEm 06300 isn't just a jig. It's a precision tool that elevates the quality of every build. Reliable, refined, and engineered for performance, it delivers box joints that look as professional as they feel. If you've ever tried making repeat cuts with a track saw, you already know how quickly accuracy can slip. That's exactly why the TSO Parallel Guide System Gen 2 feels like such a breakthrough. It takes a tool you already rely on and elevates it into a true precision system you can trust on every project. A track saw handles sheet breakdown well, but maintaining consistency from cut to cut is another story. This system solves that instantly. Once attached, your guide rail gains solid, physical stops that lock in your measurements. Every rip stays perfectly parallel, and every piece matches the last. It's the kind of precision that makes woodworking smoother, faster, and far more enjoyable. Each kit comes fully equipped: 2 flip-stop pros, 2 parallel guide tracks, and a pair of drop-lock connectors. Everything is machined from rigid aluminum, so your settings stay tight and reliable. No flex, no drift, just dependable accuracy. The new drop-lock connectors are a standout upgrade. They drop directly into the T-track in seconds. No sliding from the end, no removing accessories. Press, tilt, release, and they're locked in place. They install fast, hold securely, and work with all major guide rail brands right out of the box. The Flip-Stop Pro brings the same level of refinement. Its dual-arm construction eliminates flex, even when registering a full sheet of plywood. The extended contact arm gives you a confident reference point, while the recessed pointer removes any chance of misreading measurements. Set it once, and it stays locked with absolute stability. Using the system is straightforward and efficient. Set your stops, drop the rail in place, register the panel, and cut. Whether you're building cabinets, drawers, shelves, or larger furniture components, your results remain clean, repeatable, and perfectly aligned. If precision, speed, and confidence matter in your workflow, the TSO Parallel Guide System Gen 2 is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. It helps you work smarter, build with assurance, and enjoy a higher level of accuracy in every cut. The Fulton Precision Miter Gauge is built for woodworkers who want accuracy, stability, and confidence in every cut. At the center of the system is a solid aluminum head, 0.200 inches thick, and machined with 13 positive stops. You get a precise, repeatable lock at all the key angles, including 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 67.5 degrees, and a dead accurate 90 degrees. The steel miter bar is 17 inches long and sized to fit standard 3/4 inch by 3/8 inch table saw slots, giving you smooth, controlled travel. It's built to stay aligned and dependable across a wide range of machines. The aluminum fence is where this setup really stands out. It's made from a single piece of extruded aluminum, so it's rigid, durable, and always stays true. Both ends are cut at 45 degrees, allowing excellent workpiece support and giving you more control and confidence when positioning material near the blade area, always with the power off during setup. A flip stop is included for repeatable cuts, helping you keep measurements consistent without constant adjustments. It's simple, accurate, and designed to save time in your workflow. If you want a miter gauge that's solid, reliable, and built for professional-level accuracy, the Fulton Precision Miter Gauge with aluminum fence is a strong upgrade for any woodworking setup. If you've ever tried building custom workbenches or jigs, you know how tricky it can be to get perfectly spaced dovetail tracks. The MICROJIG MatchFit Grid Router Guide Kit takes the guesswork out of the equation, letting you create precise, repeatable dovetail grids with ease. The secret is its self-indexing design. Each groove is automatically spaced exactly 4 inches apart. No rulers, no layout lines, no measuring mistakes. You can work on a full 4x8 sheet or a compact sled and know every groove will be perfectly aligned. Operation is fast and simple. Set your desired depth, attach your router, and let the guide do the rest. The base ensures accurate grooves every time, saving setup time and giving your project a professional finish. The MatchFit grid works with most standard routers with 4-inch, 7 bases, and 1 to 3 HP motors. Using a 1/3/8 Porter cable style guide bushing adapter ensures a secure, precise fit every time. Each kit includes everything you need: the grid router guide, a dovetail router bit, and a relief bit. Just add your router, and you're ready to route flawless grids on panels of any size. For woodworkers who demand precision, speed, and repeatable results, the MICROJIG MatchFit Grid Router Guide Kit is a must-have. It makes creating custom dovetail track grids fast, simple, and incredibly accurate. Every woodworker knows the difference a sharp chisel makes. The G-Sharp Edge Chisel Sharpener is designed to deliver precise, professional edges on chisels and plane blades from 3 mm up to 85 mm wide. This kit lets you adjust the sharpening angle anywhere from 22 degrees to 90 degrees, giving you complete control over every cut. With 4 diamond sharpening hones, 200, 400, 800, and 1500 grit, you can achieve a perfect edge every time, from rough shaping to a polished finish. Compact, lightweight, and robust, the G-Sharp Sharpening Kit is easy to transport and built to withstand knocks in your tool bag or even a fall from your workbench. Despite its durability, it's simple to use, no special training needed. Anyone can sharpen their tools with confidence. To finish, diamond microfoils polish the edge to a mirror-like perfection, giving you a razor-sharp finish that makes every cut smoother and more precise. Meet the Milwaukee M18 HOTSHOT Jump Starter, a new benchmark in automotive power. This isn't just another jump starter. It's the first system that's always ready, with no pre-charging, no upkeep, and no guesswork. Using Milwaukee's breakthrough capacitor technology, the HOTSHOT powers up and prepares to jump in under 70 seconds with any M18 battery. And it performs every time, in any weather, from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Built for extreme reliability, the internal capacitors are rated for over 500,000 cycles, giving you unmatched lifespan. Delivering up to 2,000 peak amps, it easily starts engines up to 8.1 L gas and 3.0 L diesel. With an M18XE 5.0 battery, you get up to 70 jump starts on a single charge. A precision-engineered clamp design ensures perfect terminal access, while the IP65 rating protects against dust and water. The Milwaukee M18 HOTSHOT Jump Starter. Always ready. All weather. Built for life.